front door. But the best part? Not a traffic light in sight. Cabins to condos to chalets. Travel better together with Vrbo.
Okay, can you please not do that? I'm asking nicely.
Favorite characters are now.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
And I'm building a desk.
So?
So I asked you not to do it.
I need
Get ready for
to.
sleepy time while you soothe and sing
I
together.
need to.
With Little Vrbo and Little Tykes.
I really wish hackers didn't hack into YouTube though. They literally hacked comments. You can't put comments anymore. Much fun. So much fun. And Chase's Corner. Minions.
Close enough. What's up, everybody? We're back today with more Chase's Corner. We did make a dice show. Some Lego dice. Now we're in the middle of doing some remodeling of Chase's Corner. Hey, I can't see it. Where'd it go? Dice head. That's why we have no shelf and anything like that. But here's the little dice that we made because we couldn't find our own dice. No, it's gonna be okay. So let's get a little closer. You have to roll the dice, and whatever number you get is how many push these in. So Chase,
Wait till I go to the other side.
I'll roll. You want me to roll first? Okay, and one. Okay, and boom. I got a 4. So ready? Here go. 1, 2,
You know, when people ask you something,
4.
usually it's nice to actually do it.
So what did you say?
Wait till I go to the other side.
And here's Kevin.
Well, Gray,
So
I-
which one do you want to look at,
to
Chase?
tell ya.
The camera's filming your
You
shoe.
want to look at
Well,
Stuart? Alright,
sorry.
we'll look at Bob. Okay?
You should have known to
Now
wait.
you roll the dice, Chase. Now Chase's turn to roll.
I want to go ahead and do some tricks.